lot of stuff you need to bring with you on a hike in Colorado, but you can fit it all into a tiny pack if you're efficient. I'm going to give you insider tips on how to pack safely and efficiently for hiking in Colorado. I'm Meg Atterbury, a 15-year Colorado local, and I've been widely published in the outdoor space about hiking safely and responsibly. First, you need to understand that the mountains are a dangerous place to hike. Snow, thunderstorms, hail, and intense temperature swings are expected even in the middle of summer. In Colorado, we have a monsoon season that plagues the mountains every day from June through early August. Dangerous afternoon thunderstorms roll in, often catching hikers off guard, so you need to be prepared. My layering system is simple. I will pack a compressible puffy layer, a lightweight fleece, glove liners, a beanie, and a lightweight rain jacket on every single hike. These are non-negotiable, even if the weather looks totally fine. I've been caught off guard in some really bad unexpected weather, and these have been literal lifelines for me. Next, I'll pack all the things that I don't want to have to use, but definitely want to have in case there's an emergency. I have a small first aid kit that I go through every season and a few aqua tabs to treat water, an emergency bivy sack, a headlamp with spare batteries, navigation downloaded onto my phone, and I put my phone into low power mode and only use location services when I need to instead of keeping it on all the time, as well as waterproof matches. I also carry a Garmin InReach Mini. That way I can quickly reach help if I need to. I always test the device and charge it before I go. Pro tip here, replace the carabiner it came with. I use a small wire gate that's rated for rock climbing. If you were to take a tumble, it would be easy for the standard issued carabiner to break and detach you from your lifeline. Next up are my every hike needs. This includes a sun hat, usually I'm wearing that, a sun shirt, which makes for an excellent extra lightweight layer when paired with a t-shirt, sunglasses, and sunscreen. The mountain sun is brutal, so protecting your skin and eyes is essential, especially if snow is present, and don't forget to put some sunscreen under your nose and chin. And of course, there are snacks. The most important thing, duh. I always carry a calorie-dense bar for emergencies or longer days, a really salty snack, and what I call a cheap sugar, basically candy. You want to eat quick-to-process foods that deliver you instant access to energy, especially in the mountains when you're battling steep uphills and thin air. These snacks are always tasty no matter what, and you're gonna burn them off anyway, so ditch that healthy eating attitude. Water is also really important. I will carry anywhere between 1 to 2.5 liters at a time. Water weighs a ton, so I base this off of how hard I'm hiking, how far the trail is, and if there's water readily available nearby. If it makes sense, I'll carry a Sawyer squeeze so I can filter on the go. For poop, I carry a wag bag, or a bag that is designed for human waste. See the show notes for my recommendations. Above tree line, this is required since pooping in the high alpine is a big no-no. It does not break down. Wag bags are lighter and more compact than a traditional trowel, hand sanitizer, and toilet paper setup, and they come with wipes to sanitize your hands. Lastly are my nice to haves. Personally, I carry a pee funnel and a pee rag so I don't have to expose myself on the trail. I also bring trekking poles for most hikes. That really helps me save my knees and joints on the downhill. And now that you're armed with some awesome hiking know-how, you want to check out my next video that showcases some of the best hikes in Colorado and how to experience them like a local. Packing videos really suck to film. I'm not a Pinteresty person. I don't care about being a Pinteresty person. And who wants to hang out in their storage closet?